This is Samsung Galaxy M14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enter the higher resolution camera mode on this device. So to begin with, you will obviously need to launch the camera app. Then let me take check photo in the default photo mode. Then in order to enter the high resolution one, you will need to tap at the aspect ratio icon over here and then go for the 3:4 50 megapixels. And as you can see by this icon over here, now we will take pictures in the increased resolution using the 50 megapixels of camera. And now let's compare the details or resolution of the pictures that we took. So this one we shoot at the default photo mode and its resolution is as follows. And the file size is also as follows. And now let's see the details for the one that we took using the 50 megapixels mode. And as you can see, the resolution is significantly better, but the file size is also increased by a lot. Basically what higher resolution gets you is obviously improved quality, more details saved in the better quality inside the picture itself, but as you've already seen, it comes at the expense of the photos occupying significantly more storage space. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.